The Saatva Rx mattress is the world's first and only mattress specifically designed for side and stomach sleepers with back pain, and now you can purchase it with a $775 discount. The Saatva Rx mattress is the latest addition to Saatva's lineup, designed specifically for chronic joint pain relief. It offers best-in-class luxury materials and is considered a top-tier luxury mattress. The mattress is a hybrid, combining foam layers with pocketed coil support. One of the standout features of the Saatva Rx is its ability to provide pain relief for sleepers with joint pain. The medium-firm firmness level is suitable for most sleepers, and the mattress is comfortable for side sleepers, stomach sleepers, and back sleepers. Saatva is well known for its commitment to quality, and the Saatva Rx is no exception. The mattress is made with high-quality materials and is designed to provide a luxurious sleep experience. It has excellent cooling properties and offers great motion isolation, making it ideal for couples. The Saatva Rx comes with a lifetime warranty, which is a testament to its durability and longevity. It also offers a 365-night free trial period, allowing you to try out the mattress and make sure it meets your needs. The mattress is delivered and set up with free white glove delivery. The Saatva Rx is a high-quality luxury mattress. It is worth the investment for those seeking a luxurious and pain-relieving sleep experience. Saatva's reputation for quality and customer satisfaction makes it a trusted brand. Overall, the Saatva Rx mattress receives a high rating of 4.9 out of 5 in this review. It is recommended for individuals suffering from chronic joint pain, as well as those looking for a luxurious and comfortable sleep experience. Now, get up to a $775 discount on your purchase. Get a $225 seniors discount. A limited time, $500 factory discount. Hurry before it ends. And a $50 stackable discount that can be applied with other discounts. Click the links below to get your discounts and instructions.